Well, Packing Station was established in 2015. So when we originally started, it was a joint venture with Valley Fresh, and then also helped set up the Packing Station side of the business and been here ever since. And I now run the business on a day-to-day basis. We pre-pack all citrus lines, mandarins, lemons, oranges are our main lines through the Sawma system, and then we pack other products in our business as well. We service provide for various companies throughout Western Australia and New Zealand. Yeah, with the Sawma packing line, we find it's really good, very reliable and good technical support from the team. We've had Fred here, which has been with us for 5 years, and Jerry and Kay, which have been here for 3 to 4 years as well.
Yeah, I'm the production manager. I'll receive the orders from the office and I'll come down and relay them to the team. We'll change over the machine settings to what we need to pack for the day. The production line starts with a bin tipper, then it's got the grading belt, and then which goes onto the PO4. The PO4 is a reconditioned one. Basically they put new running gear, new chains and sprockets all through it. That hasn't missed a beat since. So off the PO4 we run 2 CBRs and an RB2. We run both CBRs together, which at one stage you can get 42 bags a minute, so it's pretty good. It's 2 crates a minute in production time.
Fred rings Steve from JTech. If we have a problem, firstly he calls them. Quite often they FaceTime each other.
We've used FaceTime together, so I can sort of show him the problem directly. He can point me in the right direction. Started working with the Sawma machinery about probably 5 years ago, and once again I hadn't seen these machines before in action.
JTech's been very supportive on training them, working together with our team to upskill them and get the system so we don't have to call them if there's a slight breakdown. Having a JTech local technician's been wonderful. If there's any problems, at least he's on the ground and responds so quickly. So all their packaging comes from JTech. We find they're reliable, we find the service is good, and we also find that their packaging works really well on the machine. If we've got someone else's packaging, we always find that we've had trouble running it through our machine because it's either not made properly. We just find every time we use the JTech's packaging, it's reliable and it's always good. And I think it's important for us to have a good communication, a good customer service, because our business cannot wait. We're on a day-to-day packing, and if anything goes wrong, we need it fixed. Oh look, since we've been dealing with JTech, we've found all from upper management to the service departments to all the people on the line, we've found excellent service. We've never had an issue with them, and that's therefore today we're happy and we keep doing good business with them.